you guys, we hit 50,000 subscribers over here at VroomVroomDana. The Pussy Squad is now rolling over 50,000 deep, and I wanted to say thank you so much, every single one of you who has supported my videos, who has supported my shit from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. That is a remarkable milestone, and I owe you guys the world, man. Seriously, thank you so much for that. I was thinking to myself, 50,000 subscribers, I gotta do something kind of cool for 50,000, don't I? And I was like, you know what? My bike's a little dirty. I haven't showered in a week. It's about 100 degrees out. I think I have an idea. This is gonna be the Dirtbike versus Carwash. Oh, what a shitty idea. What a shitty idea. Oh yeah, probably a good idea. Hold that. My bad.
Okay, I'll move. Well, I'm gonna take your cards out.
Ah, shit. Terrible idea. What am I getting right now? Yeah. That's why I do this. It needs to be clean. Damn it. It's so cold. Oh shit. Pussy Squad! Ah, fuck. That shit fucking hurt. Oh, I didn't like that. Oh, shit. I'm scared for it to come back. I'm gonna wipe my helmet cams on the dirt. The car just pulled up. Oh, shit. My bike's gonna be looking fucking flossy after this. Oh my god, it feels so good to ride now that I'm soaking fucking wet. That was a success if I've ever seen one. The only part that really hurt is when the water shot from the side. That shit was like a pressure washer onto my skin. I had to flip from my normal skeleton case to my waterproof GoPro case, so if the audio didn't turn out fantastic, I apologize. But I had to make sure that that thing didn't get any water into that casing at all. But I think that was honestly a success. I mean, I'm soaking wet, like from neck to fucking shoes. I was walking around and my shoes are squish. You see like water coming out of my socks and shit. But besides that, I'm feeling good. Bike is clean. I'm clean. I don't got to take a shower today. Definitely a win. Well, I definitely got to go home and peek out that footage and see how it turned out. I hope it turned out good. I was trying to wipe off my lens and shit just in case there was soap on it or whatever, but there you guys go. I hope it turned out awesome. I brought some friends to try to get like a second point of view. So thank you so much, you guys, seriously, for everything, for 50,000 subscribers. It really does mean the world. And we're gonna see how much this channel continues to grow. We'll just see what happens. But like I said, man, thank you to you all. I hope you did appreciate that video. It was a lot of fun, and I didn't even know what to expect going into it. I was like, well, this is either gonna turn out great, it's gonna turn out good, or it's gonna turn out horrible. I didn't even know if the sensor was gonna activate in the car wash. I didn't know if my bike was gonna be heavy enough to activate it, but it turned out good. So thank you guys so much for everything. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like down below. If you're new here, be sure to join the revolution and subscribe. That is VroomVroomDana, the Pussy Squad, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Well, that definitely looks like a success to me. Clean Dana, clean bike. Psh, bring the bitches on.
This is the anthem. Told the world I need everything and some. Yeah, 2 girls, that's a tandem. She gon' do it all for me when them bands come. Got it all, yeah, I'm young, rich, and handsome.